the 21st of July 2021, and we have the Jönsaksenpolku 5. Is it the staircase A? Is it the only staircase? Only staircase in this residential building. That's why the staircase A is unnecessary. For that. And this was built in 1980. Turned 40 years old in the last year 2020, and the serial number is 44492 with sunflowers. The lamps don't light up here, so it's rather simple. It's going to be inspected in 2023.
This is what the skytte Kone Haukka. Inspected by Lift Institute and maintained by Schiller.
They have a fire extinguisher on the fourth floor, I saw the symbol.
Yeah.
And a strange lamp on the second floor, like.
Yeah.
By the electrical socket. Realized that looked like a shell or something.
Yeah.
And that's it. Thank you very much for watching.
That's it.